I am Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables can help you ward off heart disease, stroke and certain types of cancer. Include dark green, leafy vegetables, yellow, orange and red fruits and veggies, cooked tomatoes and citrus fruits. If you consume 2,000 calories a day, aim for at least 9 servings or 41/2 cups of fruits and vegetables. Try mangoes and sweet potatoes. Mangoes are high in fiber, have no cholesterol or saturated fat and are high in potassium and beta-carotene. They help replenish energy. Sweet potatoes are the most nutritious and heart-healthy vegetable, according to the National Center for Science in the Public Interest. They're fat-free, cholesterol-free, low in sodium and high in fiber. Besides the great taste, the sweet potato is a wonderful source of vitamins A, C and D. Cumin is a good source of iron and cumin seeds promote a healthy digestive system. Spring salad with chutney dressing and sweet potato cumin crisps. 1/9-ounce bottle mango chutney. About 1 cup. 1/2 cup reduced fat sour cream or mayonnaise. 1/2 cup plain low-fat yogurt. 1/4 cup finely chopped fresh cilantro or mint. 8 to 10 cups mixed spring greens. 1 apple, thinly sliced. 1 cucumber, sliced. Golden raisins and toasted cashews. Sweet potato cumin crisps. 1 cup Bruce's sweet potato pancake mix. 2 teaspoons toasted cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon Bruce's maca and red pepper. 1 cup water. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Prepare sweet potato cumin crisps. Set aside. For dressing, combine chutney, sour cream, yogurt and cilantro. Mix well. Refrigerate until ready to serve. At serving time, toss greens with dressing and arrange on salad plates with apple and cucumber slices. Sprinkle raisins and cashews over each serving and serve sweet potato crisps on the side. Make 6 servings. Note: for a main dish salad, toss 3 cups of cubed cooked chicken with some dressing and arrange on plates with greens. Combine all ingredients in a bowl. Mix well. Spray an 8-inch nonstick skillet or omelet pan with cooking spray and place over medium heat. When pan is hot, add 2 tablespoons batter and tilt quickly to spread evenly. Cook until golden brown, about 2 minutes, then turn and cook on other side until golden brown and crisp around edges. Repeat with remaining batter, spraying pan as needed to prevent sticking. Place rounds in a single layer on paper towels after removing from skillet, then place in a single layer on a lightly greased cookie sheet. Bake in a 325. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name: Khaled Zubair.